Mercedes-Benz Future Truck. When you first see this Mercedes-Benz truck, you will think that it has come straight from a high-budget Hollywood science fiction movie to the real road. Huge glass cockpit, body shining with blue lights, and a very futuristic design. From a distance, it will seem that this is not an ordinary truck, but a mechanical monster from the future world. But the most terrifying thing about this truck is not its design, but its brain. Its most incredible technology is called the Highway Pilot System. This system uses advanced radar, stereo cameras, GPS, and numerous smart sensors. Working together, they can understand the road more accurately than humans. Once on the highway, the driver can easily take his hands off the steering wheel and relax. The truck can recognize the road itself, change lanes on its own, and even slow down and increase its speed according to traffic. However, the most surprising thing is its active brake assist system. It can brake on its own in the blink of an eye as soon as a person, motorcycle, or small car suddenly comes in front. Many times, this truck detects danger before a person realizes it. Another terrifying technology is its 360-degree monitoring system. The truck is equipped with such advanced cameras that there is no such thing as a blind spot. As a result, it can drive surprisingly safely even at night, in fog, or in heavy rain. By continuously monitoring the road for 24 hours, this truck reduces the risk of major accidents to almost zero. Experts say that if this technology is used in all trucks in the world in the future, it will be possible to save thousands of lives. And when this truck starts driving on the highway at night, its LED lighting and futuristic design make it seem from a distance as if an alien machine has descended on the roads of the world. Interestingly, the interior of this truck's cabin is also very futuristic. There are no numerous buttons like in ordinary trucks. The entire dashboard is filled with digital screens. If the driver wants, he can operate the entire truck with a small touch control in his hand. Many technology experts believe that within the next 20 years, most of the world's freight vehicles will rely on such automated technology. Then, perhaps, humans will only set the destination and AI will drive the entire road itself. When you see it on the road for the first time, your eyes are bound to roll up. It will look like someone has cut off the roof of an expensive supercar and put it on huge wheels. But make no mistake, this is actually one of the most advanced trucks in the world, made by Volvo, called Vera. Its design is so strange that there is no driver's seat, let alone a window, because this truck does not need a human to drive it. It can work completely automatically. Vera's real power is hidden in its height. Since it is much lower than a normal truck, it can easily enter under huge containers and pull them. And since it is completely electric, it runs completely silently. Even when carrying huge containers, there is no in-engine noise. It moves so quietly in the busy areas of the port that from a distance it seems like a robotic creature is moving slowly. The most surprising thing is that Vera does not work alone. It works as part of a smart network where multiple trucks can share data at the same time. As a result, it can decide in real time which roads are free, where there are obstacles, or which route is the fastest. Even if a truck suddenly encounters danger, that information is immediately transmitted to other trucks. As a result, the entire system can keep itself safe together. Many experts believe that smart trucks will replace humans in the ports and industrial areas of the future, because where humans get tired, these robot trucks can work 24 hours a day. Imagine, there is not a single person among hundreds of containers in a huge seaport. Just countless smart trucks are silently doing their work. The whole scene looks like a cyberpunk city of the future. Hyundai Teller truck. You will definitely get confused when you see this truck, because it is not an ordinary truck, but a huge robot on wheels. It has no cabin, no steering, and even no seat for people to sit, because it does not need a human to drive it. This powerful truck, powered entirely by AI, is mainly designed to pull huge containers at seaports. Surprisingly, it can carry more than 25 tons of weight at a time. Even when pulling huge containers, its speed does not change. It is equipped with advanced cameras, laser sensors, and radar systems, which create a perfect map of the surroundings within seconds. As a result, it can detect every obstacle in front of it. Even if a person or vehicle suddenly comes in front, its super-fast automatic brake system stops the truck in the blink of an eye. The most frightening thing is that it never gets tired. Whether it is day or night, in extreme heat, or in a storm, it can continue to work at the same speed perfectly. Where a person is likely to make mistakes if he works for a long time, this AI truck calculates every decision. As a result, the risk of accidents is greatly reduced. When these trucks move together in a huge port, crowded with hundreds of containers, the whole place looks like a robot city of the future. Freightliner truck. This is one of the first licensed autonomous trucks in the world. The US government has officially given it a robot license, which means that this truck is its own most efficient driver. While driving on the highway, it perfectly recognizes the road and controls its speed by maintaining a safe distance from the car in front. Its sophisticated sensor system can analyze the movements of every car around it. As a result, it can understand even if a car suddenly changes lanes. Its dashboard is completely digital, and anyone who sees its futuristic look will be forced to admit that it is the king of the road of the future. But that's not all. These trucks are designed in such a way that multiple trucks can run in a line. This is called a platooning system. The trucks behind the truck in front are automatically connected to the truck in front and continue to move at the same speed. As a result, fuel consumption is reduced and road safety is also increased. Just imagine, if only such smart trucks were to drive on the entire highway in the future, then maybe there would be no need for humans to hold the steering wheel. The yellow monster you see on the screen is one of the most terrifying autonomous trucks in the world. Just looking at its huge wheels and gigantic body, it is clear that it is not made for ordinary roads. It is designed in such a way that it can move on impassable roads like a giant without a driver. Its real strength is its intelligent control module. It can be controlled by just one digital command from a comfortable control room thousands of miles away, in deep mines or construction sites with toxic dust, where work is extremely risky for humans. This mechanical monster can work perfectly without a brake. Storms, rain, or intense heat, nothing can stop it. It continues to move with incredible stability, even while carrying huge rocks and tons of minerals. The most surprising thing is that these trucks can also communicate with each other. As a result, one truck warns the other about the road conditions in advance. Samsung Safety Truck. We all know how dangerous it is to overtake a large truck on the road. But Samsung has solved this problem with a technology that will really surprise you. This is no ordinary truck. It is called the Safety Truck. There is a powerful high-resolution camera in front of this truck that captures the road ahead live and broadcasts it directly on the huge LED screen behind the truck. As a result of this technology, when a car wants to overtake the truck, the drivers of the car can see the front of the truck clearly. As a result, the cars behind the truck can overtake safely. Einride Pod. Look at the design of this truck. There is no glass, no driver's seat. It looks like an alien vehicle has accidentally landed on the roads of the world. It is called Einride Pod. It does not need a human to drive it. It is completely electric and runs on artificial intelligence. Inside its small but powerful body is a state-of-the-art computer system. It can constantly analyze its surroundings and make decisions. It can also run on busy city roads with incredible precision. The most surprising thing is that it is completely network-based. That is, it can be directly connected to the city's traffic system and change routes by calculating which roads are less congested, where accidents have occurred, or which route is the fastest. Many technology experts believe that such cars and trucks will change the entire world's transportation system in the next few decades. Then, maybe people will just say the name of the destination, and artificial intelligence will do the rest. And to be honest, what we consider to be the technologies of the future today may soon become our everyday reality.